Good noon, myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome to all of you in physics lecture of class 12. Today's our topic is some numericals based on YDSC. So you all are welcome in LPM premises. So now we start the lecture here. As we have already seen that formula of intensity equal to under root I1 plus I2 plus 2 under root I1 I2 cos phi. We have already seen this formula. So suppose if sources having same intensity, means I1 is equal to I as well as I2 is equal to I, then what will be the formula for intensity? If I1 and I2 are same, so put this value, so I equal to I net equal to I plus 2 I that is I cos phi. I by I square, you can say. Okay. So I equal to I1 plus I2, 2 under root I1, I2 cos phi. This is the main formula. And if I1 and I2 are equal, say I, then formula becomes I net equal to I plus 2. So 2I plus 2I square cos phi. This is I. This is I. So you can take 2I as common. So 1 plus cos phi. So I net equal to 2I 1 plus cos phi equal to 2 cos square phi by 2 minus 1. So 1 is cancelled out. So 4I cos square phi by 2. This is the another formula of intensity. When sources having same intensity, then this formula will convert in this formula. So you have to remember I net equal to 4I cos square phi by 2. Very important. If intensity of both the sources is same, then you can write the formula for that. I net equal to 4I cos square phi by 2. You know here cos phi equal to 2 cos square phi by 2 minus 1. Just this much outside. Cos phi equal to 2 cos square phi by 2 minus 1. As we know, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Similarly, cos phi can be written as 2 cos square phi by 2 minus 1. So this is another most important formula for both purposes. Okay. So write it down. So we take some numericals. Actually, fringe width. In fringe width, fringes vary from 4i to 0. Maximum intensity to 0. So there would be 3i also, 2i also, I also. So remember that 4i intensity is the maximum intensity and it can vary from 4i to 0. This is maximum and this is minimum. Okay. So suppose there is a question. As we know, this is central maximum, and in interference pattern, after central maxima there would be minima. First minima you can say, then first secondary maximum, then second minimum, then secondary maximum. So you see that after central maxima there would be minima, maxima. Alternate pattern must be seen on the screen. And distance between first maxima to central maxima is d lambda by d. And distance between first minima and central maxima is d lambda by 2d. Similarly, distance between second minima and central maxima is 3 d lambda by 2. Similarly, distance between second maxima to central maxima is d lambda by 2 d lambda by 2. We know that. Okay. So if central maximum intensity, that is 4i. First minimum intensity, that is 0. Then first maxima, again maximum intensity, that is 4i. Then second minimum, that is minimum intensity 0. Second maximum 4i. So you can see here from central maxima to first minima, intensity varies from 4i to 0. And from first minima to first maxima, intensity varies from 0 to 4i. And so on both the sides of the central maxima. So there would be an intensity of 3i, 2i, 3 by 2i, means 4i to 0. You can vary. So note it down first of all, then I will ask question upon it. Okay. Listen, one more thing. As we know, path difference is the intensity formula, and path difference between central maxima and first minima, 0, pi, 2 pi. As we know, pi equal to phase difference equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, and so on. This is the condition for maxima when two waves interfering and phase difference 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi like that. Then maxima will obtain, and then phase difference is 5, 3 pi, 5 pi, and so on. There would be minimum. So you can say central maximum 0, and then first secondary maxima 2 pi, then secondary maxima 4 pi. You can write here. So first minimum pi, second minimum 3 pi, and so on. Pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. First minimum, second minimum 3 pi, third minimum 5 pi, and fourth minimum 7 pi, and like that. First maxima 0, first secondary maxima 2 pi, second secondary maxima 4 pi, and so on. So you should write 0, pi, 2 pi, minimum pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, and like that, and maxima 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, and like that. So question is that intensity comes 50% of maximum intensity. Maximum intensity. Between central maxima and first minimum. So how many solution of intensity 50% of maximum intensity? Actually there are infinite solution, because you can see here from central maxima to first minimum 50% come, 4i to 0, in between 2i will come. Similarly from first minima to first secondary maxima 0 to 4i, 2i still come. So there are many solutions, but you have to find intensity of the interfering wave is 50% of maximum intensity in between central maxima and first minimum, because there are infinite solutions. In every region you can get 2i intensity, that is 50% of maximum intensity. Okay, this is the question. This is a very important question. Okay. So let's see. First of all, and we know that I net equal to 4i cos square pi by 2. Okay, and we should have find here 50% of maximum intensity. That is maximum intensity is 4i. So 50%, I net equal to 50% of 4i, that is 2i. So 2i equal to 4i cos square pi by 2. So I is cancelled out here. Cos square pi by 2 equal to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. So cos pi by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 plus minus. So there are many solutions. 1 by root 2. So 5 by 2 is equal to pi by 4. First solution, pi by 4. You can subtract pi minus pi by 4 and pi plus pi by 4. Pi minus by 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, and 7 pi by 4 like that. There are many solutions. You can get plus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4, and like that. 5 equal to pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus 5 pi by 2, sorry, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and so on. So our solution is 50% between central maxima and first minima, that is 0 to pi. 0 to pi region is this one. Okay? And this one. So delta phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Delta phi equal to pi by 2 pi by lambda into delta x. So part difference is dy by capital D. We have already discussed about this formula. This would write upward direction. Pi by 2 is our solution. So delta phi equal to 2 pi by delta into delta x. So delta phi equal to pi by 2 equal to 2 pi by delta x dy by dt. We have already seen y is the position of maxima or minimas, d screen distance between distance between screen and slits, and d is the distance between slits. So pi is cancelled out here. So y will be lambda d by 4. Lambda d by 4 by d. So this is the position where intensity will be 2y, that is 50% of maximum intensity. Lambda is given, capital D is given, 4 is given, D is given, so you can find out the position where intensity comes to 2y, that is 50% of maximum intensity. Okay, we can also find out the 50% intensity between 3 pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2. That is first maxima and second minima, like that. So there are many solutions. 2y intensity will come infinite times, as we know the in diagrams, like 0 to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. This is first minimum. This is first maximum. This is second minimum. This is second maximum, and so on. And so on. You see here, this is 0 to here intensity maximum 4i, and at pi 0, at 2 pi again 4i, 3 pi 0, 4 pi again 4i. So there are many solutions of 2i intensity. 2i intensity come here also, here also, here also, here also. But our question is, we have to find 2i intensity in between central maxima and first minima. So 0 to pi means pi by 2. Again 50% come from pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi. Here is 3 pi by 2. So this is the solution for 2i in between pi to 2 pi. 3 pi by 2. Similarly, you can also find out 2i in between 2 pi to 3 pi. 2 pi to 3 pi is this solution. So there are many solutions of intensity, 50% or 75%, a lot of question arises from this concept. Okay. So this is the question, and I hope that you will understand about this question. This is the main concept, and you should try more question on this pattern. 75% intensity. So next question, just do it at your home. What would be the position of intensity 75% between first minima to first maximum? 75%. So you should put here 75% means 3i. 3i equal to 4i, and you will find out phi 2 for that. And there are many solutions. So you should remember that we have to find the solution between pi and 2pi, first minimum to first maximum. So you can do it at home. So today class is over. Thank you very much.